Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Going Guitar. We have a cool song here from Depeche Mode. Alright, this iconic band, and this is not the typical guitar songs here, perhaps a little bit more electronic influenced songs there. But anyway, this song is called My Favorite Stranger. And this is, if you want to say that you can play a Depeche Mode song, this is one of them. So it would be cool perhaps to learn this. So that's the point with this tutorial. So let's dive into this one. We need to start with the capo set here on the first fret. And with that, we're gonna play chords, but not really chords, more grips, because we're just gonna hammer on the bass strings. That's how this works. All right, so first capo on the first fret. With that, we have different grips here. So we're gonna take a look first at the chords and the grips there. So the first one will be like a D minor and with a bar, but you don't actually need to hold the bar here. So it's enough if you just hold a 5th on A string, 7th on D, and 7th on G. All right, so that's how you're gonna hold the chord. We're gonna come to how to handle the chords, but first the grips there. So that's a D minor. Then we have a transition there on the E. So that's just an open E string note there. You don't have to hold anything there, just a kick on the open string E. And then comes the F. This is the next grip. You hold the first fret on the E string, then 3rd on A, and 3rd on D. That will be the F grip. Then we have a slide here to the G note. You're just gonna kick that one on the 3rd fret E string. Okay, and then you come to the next grip, so to speak. That's the A. So you hold the 5th fret on E string, 7th on A, 7th on D. Okay, and then you just have a note again here on the 3rd fret A string. That's the C note. And then you will be back again to the starting point, the D grip or D chord. So there you have the different grips there for the song. Okay, so we're gonna start this one up, and it goes in the same with your entire song. That's great. And we're gonna work with a strumming pattern, if you wanna call it that, with 4 downs, okay? So if you start with the D minor grip there, one strumming will be like this. So that's 4 fast downs. That's what we're gonna work with, okay? So the song starts with 3 rounds of that. So in total, 12 downs. So 3 rounds of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And then you're gonna play another 2 rounds, another 2 downs. So you're gonna split this 1, 2, 3, 4 now into 2 parts. So you play the first 2 downs here, still with the D minor, and the last 2 downs are the open E string, and then 1 down on the F. Okay, so that's the first part. So in total, there will be 4 rounds there. So D minor will be 3 plus the first half of the 4th round. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and then you play the open E string, and then the F, 1 down. And now we're ready for the F part. You have that chord there already. You're gonna play 1 strumming round. That means 1, 2, 3, 4. Then plus the first half of the second 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Okay, and then we slide up to the 3rd fret E string and play the last 2 downs there. So 1 on that one, and then 1 on the A chord. Okay, so just to repeat this, you play now the F. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, then 1 down on the 3rd fret E string, and 1 down on the A grip. So it will be like this. And once you're here, you now continue with the A and play one full strumming around, so 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 1, 2. And then you go to the C here, the 3rd fret A string, 1 down on that one, and then 1 down on the starting point with the D minor. So you were now at the A, you're gonna play 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and then 3rd fret A string, 1 down, and 5th fret A string with the D grip there, 1 down. So like this. And there you fulfilled 1 round. So I'm gonna take you through this slowly. Okay, so let's go. All right, so I played 2 rounds there, almost in a standard tempo. I think this original tempo will be a bit faster, perhaps something like this. Yeah, so all right, that is Depeche Mode's My Favorite Stranger. Give it a try if you want to learn Depeche song. They're cool to know that. So anyway, hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please leave me a like on this tutorial and subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet. Until next time, play tuned.